Hi friends, today at Garfin's Creation, we'll be making the chicken hopper curry. This special chicken curry will usually served during weddings. It's very simple to prepare, but it's so delicious and bursting with flavors. So you'll find all ingredients for this recipe in the description box below. So let's start making it. We'll start by making an onion paste. And for that I've taken 2 medium-sized onions. And I'll be just cutting them into smaller pieces and then making a paste out of it. Do not use any water for grinding this. So this is the onion paste. We'll just remove it out in a bowl. And now we'll just keep this aside for some time. In the same mixie jar, we'll be grinding another masala paste. For that I've taken 8 Kashmiri Red Chillies, half an inch of ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 8 whole cashew nuts, and 5 seedless dates. So the dates and the cashew nuts are going to add richness to this masala paste. Along with that, I'll be adding 3/4 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of Haldi or turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Garam masala powder. Now I'll just use some little water and just grind it into a fine paste. So all the preparations have been done. Now it's just time to cook the chicken with this masala paste. I've just heated a pan and adding 3 tablespoons of oil into it. And we'll let the oil heat up first. And once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the onion paste, what we had ground earlier. We will let this onion fry well for about 3 minutes on medium flame, till it gets a nice little light brown color. Do keep stirring it in between. And you can see gradually the onion starts getting a little brown and little oil starts coming out from the sides as well. The onions are well cooked now, so it's time to add the red masala paste which we had ground. Add all of the masala, and I will also rinse the jar with a little 1/4 cup of water. We will be adding more water later too. Give it a nice quick stir so that it mixes well with the onion. Now we will have to let this masala cook really well. Continue cooking it on medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes till the masala is well cooked. I remember having this chicken curry for most weddings. It has a nice, rich, smooth flavor, spicy and tangy as well at the same time. So now you can see the masala is well cooked and you get a nice aroma coming out from the masala. So now it's time to add the chicken. So this is half a kg of chicken. You can add chicken curry pieces with the skin as well. I've added 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. And then also be rinsing the jar once more with half a cup of water and adding that too into the chicken. So now all we have to do is let the chicken cook well. Depending on the size of the chicken curry pieces, this will take around 10 to 15 minutes to cook. So we'll just cover it and let it cook and also keep stirring it in between. Once the chicken is well cooked, we'll also see some oil coming on top. And now it's the time where we'll add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After adding the vinegar, just give it a quick stir and just let it boil once more. And our delicious chicken curry is ready. This chicken gravy is so rich and really very tasty. So you too can try this delicious chicken recipe at your home too, and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. This chicken gravy goes well with anything, be it rice, chapati, paratha, hand breads, anything you can say. I hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.